What's up, Vetters? Patrick here with Vetted. This is a crazy video, and I am involved personally with the contents of this video. You see, I went to Contact in the Desert, a UFO festival / conference at the beginning of June, end of May there, which I've talked about on the channel. And at this conference, there was a sort of event presented by Chris Bledsoe. You can see the details right here, where we went out to this part of the resort we were staying at that was, under the stars. And Chris was going to spend the next, couple hours sort of, conjuring, summoning orbs and UFOs, entities, that sort of thing, right? Well, I went out there and I've got all the details of a video that's been posted claiming, an entity or whatever, flew by. I saw it as something different, and, cue fiasco, ensues. So look, I've got all the details. Let's jump into this and get this going. All right. And make sure to stay tuned till the end, because I will be sharing exclusive footage I shot myself at this event with Chris Bledsoe of this orb that he allegedly summoned that came out of nowhere. Vetters, please hit that like button. That really helps out the videos. And of course, if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. I put out new videos about the UFO phenomena every week, and I'm trying to get to 100,000 subscribers before the end of the year, and I think it's going to happen sooner. Please, Vetters, help me make that happen. All right, let's jump into the details here. All right, so let me sort of set the scene here, right? So I'm at this conference. This event is planned. There's going to be people out there. It's on this lawn, right? I want to see Chris Bledsoe do this. I've never been to anything like this, a sort of skywatching event where people claim they can basically procure, right, these orbs to come out of the sky, summon them, conjure them to come out, by using the power of our mind. Okay, I'm in. Let's go. Let's see this happen. I go out there. It's a little hard to see, I have to admit, because we're right next to a building that's glass windows and just the lights are still on, and that's just coming through on the lawn area where we're all sitting. I took video footage, and you just can't see anything really. And, it's dark out there, and you just hear Chris's voice over a microphone. I'm not sure exactly where he was. Waiting for these, orbs to fly by, right? And look, I will admit, at the beginning of this event, within the first minutes of being there, I was there with Gino from the Y-Files, and Gino and I are sitting there. He's eating this like bacon burger or something. We're talking about the bacon, and I'm like, that smells good. And the next thing, oh shit, what's that in the sky? I didn't really hear anything, but all of a sudden there's something in the sky, and I do see this light sort of flash, and move. It was at least a couple seconds, and it just, appeared, moved, and, it was weird, right? There was cloud cover because it had kind of been, rainy that day. So there was clouds. So you kind of had like, in front, the area in front of the clouds themselves, and then the area behind the clouds. That's what you were trying to differentiate when you were looking up. And this thing came in front of the clouds, and it was bright, and it did move fast, and it was gone. When I reached for my phone, and Gino too, like when I looked up, it was gone. So I didn't see what happened to it exactly. But that was weird. I admit that was weird, and I can't explain it. I don't know what it was. Here's a short video I took right after it happened.
All of you leave here now seeing this presence. This is what we're asking for.
You gotta be kidding me. I didn't get it. I didn't get it either.
Yeah, I did see it.
But that's not the sighting that went viral during this, because while we're there at this event, Chris does get on the microphone and say specifically at 9:45. Okay, this thing started at 9 o'clock. I got there like 9:15-ish. He says at 9:45, we're going to see something. We're going to see a triangular craft. That's exactly what he said. A triangular craft come. Okay. Well, 9:45 hits, nothing, right? In fact, the people I'm with were kind of commenting about it. But then at 9:47, okay, something does come by. But to be fair, things were coming by every few minutes. You know what I mean? Like there were lights every few minutes. You could see something, but most of it just looked like stars or satellites to me, or I don't know. Other people saw other things. That's to each their own. This is just my experience, what I saw, what I was looking up at. And again, it was hard to see with that light coming in. My eyes were having a little bit of a tough time adjusting, but I could still see. Maybe not as good as I would have liked, but I could still see. During this time, right, 9:47 hits, and this thing does fly by. And I'll be honest, it looked just like a plane. It was a plane. It was blinking, like it looked like a plane. There were planes that had flown by before, right, during this, right? And they would point them out. Oh, yeah, that's a plane. It's a plane. Whatever. This looked just like, it was just a plane. I've seen planes my whole life. Like, that was a plane. And they even, had this laser pointer there where they were shining it up at certain things in the sky. Like, hey, look over there. Look over here, right? Because you're having to, look every which way. My neck was hurting, right? And so on this, they didn't point the laser pointer at it because that's a federal crime to point a laser pointer at a plane. So they didn't do that. And Chris even says that in the thing, but he claims that's the craft that he summoned, but it was a plane. So, but they're saying it's not a plane when we were there. That's not a plane. I hear you guys saying it's a plane, and they said they had all this technology there, right? I don't know what technology exactly, didn't get into the specifics, but that they had things there that could tell them if it was a plane or not. And they were saying it wasn't a plane. It looked like a plane to me. But, I'm also not up in the sky. So whatever, that's my experience, right? So Chris shares this video online that I'm going to show you, right? And let's look at the tweet. So he puts out this tweet with the video. Let's take a look at it, and then we'll get to my response that I posted that, we'll get to that. All right. So Chris posts, he puts this tweet out with this video, right? He says, time to pay attention. Nearly 1,000 people witnessed me predict it to be orange, and it would descend down beneath the clouds to be precisely at 9:45. When it went up, you can hear people say it's 9:47. Well, that's true. Well, that is 2 minutes behind. If we're being technical here. But 1,000 people, I did not see 1,000 people at this thing. 100, maybe 200 max. So I don't know where the 1,000 people is coming from unless he was saying it throughout the conference. Does that make sense? Like, I just heard it at the event, but maybe he was saying it beforehand. Maybe that's what he means. I don't know. But regardless, so he shares this video. Let me play it for you.
Are you filming it, anybody? Yes. Watch it. Is it 9:45? I said at 9:45 there would be something appearing. Thank you. 9:47, y'all.
So here's my response that I put on Twitter that created a little bit of hoopla. Well, I was there in person for this. It was a plane. Sorry to report. Just being honest about what I saw. I was there over an hour, and everyone around me thought it was a plane too. Nothing descended down. It was a plane that flew by. Now, let me explain my tweet a little bit, okay? All I'm saying is that the particular thing that they were pointing at, saying, right, flying by, was a plane. It was plain as day, no pun intended, there. And again, when I say everyone around me, the few people that were around me, we were all like, that's a plane. It was pretty obvious. You were there in person. And this is one of those things where you just had to be there, right? Like, I could see much clearer than any video is being shown. I also took video, but you can't see anything of this thing, right? The lighting was so low. I mean, here's an example. Like, it was just really hard to film. So, but with my naked eye, it was plain. I mean, you could just see it. It's crystal clear. This was a plane flying by. In fact, everyone's looking around at each other like, that's just a plane, right? That's it. What are we talking about here? Now, again, that thing at the beginning, okay, that was interesting, right? But I don't know, right? Just to me, it was a plane, and that's what I put out, okay? I'm not an expert. I was just putting my opinion of what I interpreted, what I saw. If someone's allowed to interpret it as an orb that Chris summoned, why can't I interpret it for what I think it is? A plane. It looked just like a plane. It did have a red blinking light, which you can't see in that video that Chris played. But again, if you just saw a plane flying by in the sky that you've seen a bazillion times as a human being, that's what it was. And that led to If you scroll down in the comments of my video, one guy points out, I think it's this plane, right? Mick West reached out to me, and I sent him a video of what I have of the incident, right? And they do a whole thing on their website, which I'll put a link to on Metabunk, and they figured out it was a plane. They just put it together, and it's a plane. It's they figured out exactly what plane it was. I mean, they can figure these things out. They coordinate everything, right? So again, I'll put a link in the description. Go find out for yourself. And look, there's nothing wrong with pointing out something that's not what it is, right? I would want to know if I got a Mike Tyson autograph that it wasn't the real Mike Tyson that signed it, right? I would want to know that. Like, that's okay. That doesn't mean there aren't real autographs of Mike Tyson, right? So just by saying that thing is a plane doesn't discount Chris Bledsoe. It doesn't discount the abilities. It doesn't discount the phenomena. It doesn't discount anything except that one incident and that one object in the sky, right? That's all. I don't think there's anything wrong with that. And in fact, we should do that more to eliminate and focus on the actual anomalous stuff, like that thing at the beginning in the first 15 minutes that, again, I don't know what it was, but something flew by. It wasn't a plane, right? So I don't know. But this idea that I shouldn't be telling what I saw, is crazy to me, which I got a lot of flack for that. Like I was debunking, I was going after him. Someone called me, I'm a fraud. I'm with the CIA. Like, what the, I mean, just ridiculous. You're just going to take people like that seriously. But, thought I should make a video about this and put it out so people could see and make up their own mind. I'll put links in the description to everything. You can see it for yourself. It's just how it was. And I'm going to leave you guys with the video I shot of this incident happening and a little bit of commentary afterwards confirming that this thing was just a plane. So, but again, this is just my experience and the experience of a few people around me maybe that spoke up. All right.
I would hope that I would be there.
Suggested
I see something.
That one flash at the beginning.
The first one in front of the clouds.
Is
That
this
was
a
definitely
plane
it.
or-
That's the
Yeah,
only
you know
thing
what
I'm
I'm saying?
saying.
That was it.
But that was
Well, it's not past 9:45. We're supposed to get the triangle.
Now, look,
9:45.
I've distorted
Yeah, it's
the
9:46.
crowd. I'm telling stories.
That's 9:46.
Let's look at this right here. Do not be there, man. Watch it. Look at it.
Fucking triangle.
Watch it.
Slap
Everybody see it? Put a laser. Don't put a laser on it. Don't. Don't put a laser on it. That would be the total offense.
That thing?
If it was an airplane.
That's a plane.
I don't think it is. This is what you're looking for. Are you filming it, anybody? Watch it. Is it 9:45? I said at 9:45 there would be something appear. Thank you. 9:47, y'all. Was I right? I told you in advance.
Yeah.
How would I know that? Keep eye on it. It's not done.
It's coming out of the clouds.
There should be 3. Everybody's here to see that. That's what we're looking for, y'all. It is a plane. Confirm it. You got a camera on it. It doesn't necessarily, if it's got a red light, means
It's a plane. It's blinking.
Somebody get the old map out there.
Yeah.
It's just basically what we need. There's an app that can convert it.
That's a good point. There is a FAA app that
Yeah,
you
like,
can
you can see the satellites in real
check our
time.
star tracker over here, because that kind of, we have a machine that's
That's a
hooked
good
to
point.
AI on this property. That will confirm.
That we can find it even more if we were
So, if
looking
you
at
would,
the app.
you
It's
can
not there.
comments
That's a good
to,
point.
to no comment. Because it didn't move like a plane. It didn't look like a
It
plane.
did, dude.
It moves like a
We've
satellite.
got cameras and machines on it right here.
What if we were able to confirm in real time that's moving like a satellite?
Yeah.
So we can't bring it down. We just gotta wait and see what happens unfold.
I don't know where it went. Behind those flags.
All right, betters. I hope you enjoyed today's video. You know, I was directly involved in this sighting that Chris Bledsoe is claiming. And again, Chris could be mistaken. And I think he is on this particular one, and that's okay. Again, it doesn't discount him or his abilities, but whatever. Again, not going to beat a dead horse here. All right, we'll see you guys on the next one. Remember, vetters, every day is a gift, y'all. Peace.